Gulay. Oh, si Ron pala to. This place, a shortcut going to the farm when Mike came here. Something like that. Look. Beautiful. Beautiful farm. Walking the farm. Thank you to those who hit the hearts. My God, look. The farm. Because today is harvest day. Too hot. Sir Fred, nice outfit. Thank you. This Sir Fred, this is the shortcut when Mike and me walking here. When Mike came here, that's why. When Mike fell down, this is the look at the one. Look at the steps. Too small. So that's why. All New York. Yes. All New York. I'm New Yorkers now. My gulay. Look. It shouldn't. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh my God. Hi my love. What the fuck? The rice fields that almost killed me. Yes. The shortcut. Sorry. Yes, this is the shortcut when my something like that. Oh my God. Look. She walks here. My God. Feel one. Feel hungry na. Tell him there again when he comes back. I don't know. Maybe he will mad at me. Something like that. Oh my God, look. When Mike's fell down here. When Mike's fell down here. Here. Because Mike he can't here because of weight. So that's why he jumped. Oh, shit. Hi, Makiagi. Sana all nagpaani na. Nakapira ka mo? Wala pa rin. Ha? Nakain ka? Hindi, mapaani kami. Look. They are, if you're working the field, put your ring away. Yes. I put ring away, Sir Fred. Wow. Look. I'm going to have nightmares now after seeing the shortcut. The damn slippery shortcut. My God. Like, it's still loading. Sir Fred, it works now. Look, beautiful. Din ka mo nagpaani. Arayuon pa. Ah, mao.
Ay, saman.
Didi ka mapaani man kami tuban dito banda arayuon man. Ah, okay. Ha? Nano? Akay. Someone wrong at this time. Someone wrong. It's working fine here, Han. Okay. Thank you, my love. Miss you. Yes, working again. Look. I harvest rice today. Working. Waiting for my delivery. For lunch. Wow, sana all. Oops. She kissed me again. Oh my god, that's the kiss. That the kiss is for my mic. Duh. I kiss my mic. I saw that, Fred. Oh my god, that's for you. The kiss is for you. What the heck? Not for lunch, for furniture. Ah, for the expensive furniture. Oh my god. Maybe if Mike and if me and Mike having our own home, maybe we also have furniture like that. She loves kissing me, Mike. My god, that's not for you. That's for my Mike. Duh. Oh my god. You didn't say the kiss was for Mike, so I took it. I say, I miss you, my love, Mike. I kiss you. Then I kiss. Huh? Hello, good afternoon. Hi, Rukio. Hello. Afternoon, Mish. Greetings from Indonesia. Thank you from Indonesia. Thank you so much. I'm from Philippines, Sir Jamaican man. I'm home with my eye feelings out and Cheryl is kissing Fred. Oh my. Han, the kiss is for you. Sir Fred, don't kuana. Don't kuan me. Yes, Mike, you need be healthy to get kisses. So I tell them all. Oh my God. Where are you at this moment? I'm at the rice field po. Philippines. I'm at the rice field. She's in Philippines. Yes po. Look. Oh my God. Wala. Don't make that face. Da. Don't make. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Fred, don't give Cheryl tampos because then I have to suffer until she's over. Tampo. Huh? Where are you going alone? I'm going at the rice field. I'm going to my sister's home because we harvest rice today. I love you, my love. That's why I love you so much. Mike, she dressed up in all New York stuff just for me. Huh? Mike bought this, this hat. Mike bought this hat. So, Mike, nowhere. Oh my God. Keep up the spirit, miss. Yes, pa. That's the plan, Mike. Better you getting tampo than me. Sir Fred, this hat bought me. Mike bought me this hat. So that's why I wear this because Mike bought me this. Oh my God. Got to go. Furniture is here. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. Oh my God. Sana all having a expensive furnitures. Oh my God. Welcome back. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. Where's people here now? I'm close. Oh my God. Tired. Hi! Hello!
Guys! Yadi kami sa pasukay, guys.
Daddy si Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike.
Say hi, Daddy Mike.
Hi, Daddy Mike.
What the name of the island that you're living in the Philippines named Bicol?
Dito, di ka nangarat.
Hindi. Pwede ka naman kangarat-ngarat.
Ako, paning tuturo
Okay, thank you, Mel. See you again. Thank you, Sir Kio. Good morning.
Show!
May ano ka?
Tita, bless.
Ay, wala mo sa tawyo. Adabuhan na lang. Yung isda ay dito rin yung kamaluto dito ay suruda.
Si Tata sa lapang.
Wara, tinapay lang. May tinapay doon.
May talman.
May ano pala, may siram yung may tinapay.
Sinubo na may ano para ito. Uy, mamay!
Ano yan ka pala nagganto? Hey Ashley daw, sabi ni Daddy Mai.
Ano ko may sa area ko sa
Just sabi ko nga, habang atab ka.
Atabon lang sa ano pagkasira.
Ubus na yung tanin.
Kuya lang kayo dito.
Bago akang po niya.
Oh, iyo. Hoy.
What is the population of the Philippines?
Nano nga yan? Iyo. Kuya Gab, sabi ba? Kahapon, nakabalit ako ng kuya. Cellphone na ito ng kuya, ha? Hindi pa yan.
Hindi pa lang?
Hindi ka lang. Ha?
Sahod ko pa lang?
Oo.
Hindi na kami magkaon.
Kung ba ang ako nag-asab ka mo?
Jamaican, stop asking stupid question. Google them, yeah. I don't know about the population in the Philippines. Thank you, man. Thank you, Han. Ay, I'm sorry. Powder mo ako charger. Ay, ano? Dari may charger ako. Ang saksakan.
Tag-ray!
Tayo. May saksakan ka mo ba? Pinapay, dada.
Kuan mo lang.
Ha?
Baso lang ko.
Ano?
Balik mo lang din.
Ano rin?
Ayun na, magbalik mo lang sa hapon.
I'm on our live stream. Ashley! Tadi manik tadi. Adobohon ta na lang yun. Ano, bakal ka na lang ko ano. May sibuyas ng ano ka mo? Oh. Ano na lang kauyo ha? Kauyo na lang. Thank you, love. Ano, bakali man ako tauyo. Kuan, hindi mo pwede. Tauyo. Ano yung sabihin? Tauyo.
Dai!
Pwede ka na magpapag. Hi! Ano kami, Daddy Mike? Hi daw.
Kanan ko naman daw.
Siguro na.
Lunes sa gabi. Yan. Pero di pa magsabi na ako ang kay mas daw. Balik ka. Mamari mo ako nagsabi ka lang.
So hot.
Antibiotic. Gabriel niya. Antibiotic. Kaya ang buwan niya.
Antibiotic. Wait lang. I can't go on.